Hello guys. Welcome to Entech Hack. If you want to have Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge for free, then keep watching these video, and let's get started. This video includes a giveaway organized by Entech Hack. In this giveaway, you can win a brand new Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. This is an international giveaway, so you can also take part in it. You just have to click the link given in the description. Try out your luck in this small international giveaway. Wish you all the best. So that's all for today. Thank you for your kind attention. For more such videos, hit that red subscribe button and stay tuned to Entech Hack.